dear viewers, and welcome to our Learn Arabic show. So in our previous session we had discussed about verbs, that is fi'l, right? And today this is going to be our same topic for today, only that we'll have different pronouns, right? So the pronouns that we had discussed in our previous session was huwa, past tense, huwa, and hiya. Right, so just a revision of what we did, just to recall, we said that huwa will take what format? For example, if I want to say he drank, so it will become shariba. And for hiya, we had said for hiya, just take this verb here of the huwa, from the huwa, and just add an open ta with a jussive on top, with a sukoon, right? So shariba is going to become, I have sharibat. And we said all the rest of the verbs are going to take the same format. So we have huwa shariba, hiya sharibat. Now today we are going to look at two other pronouns in the past tense form, which is, today we are going to look at ana, and we are going to look at nahnu. So we have ana and we have nahnu. You all know what ana means, you all know what nahnu means. We had done this in pronouns. Nahnu means we, and ana means I. Right, so first person singular, first person plural. Right, so we are going to look at these verbs. How are they going to take the format in ana, I, and nahnu, we, in the past tense, right? So we have the word shariba. So how am I going to convert it in the past tense? Ana, from he drank, I want to say I drank, so I will say, what I'm going to add an open ta, but this open ta is going to carry a nominative, it's going to carry a dhamma, right? So it will become ana sharibtu. Shariba becomes sharibtu. Sharibtu means I drank. So you notice that the last letter here carries a jussive, the ba here carries a jussive, a sukoon, and of course it's joined with an addition of an open ta and a nominative case, right? So ana sharibtu means I drank. Okay? And then we have la'iba. So la'iba, I'll just jot down a few examples. We have la'iba. La'iba is going to become huwa la'iba, will change into ana la'ibtu. Ana la'ibtu, meaning I played. Right, then we have jalasa. Jalasa means he sat. So I sat will become jalastu. Okay? So I have jalastu, meaning I sat. Okay? Then I have akala. Akala means he ate. So I ate becomes akaltu. Okay? I ate. So we have akaltu, meaning I ate. Okay, then we have qara'a. Qara'a means he read. Qara'a al-Quran, he read the Quran. So I want to say I read, it will become qara'tu. Qara'tul Quran, I read the Quran. So I have qara'tu, meaning I read. Okay? Then I have qala. Now qala here will not take the same format. Okay? So we have qala. Qala becomes qultu. Okay? It will not take the same format. So it becomes qultu. So I have qultu, meaning I said. Right, and of course the rest of the verbs are going to carry the same format, right? So we are done with ana. Now we go to nahnu. So if I want to change I drank, I want to say we drank. So I'm going to add a noon with an alif, and this is going to carry an accusative. So I'm going to add a noon with an alif, and that is going to carry an accusative. So I have I drank, sharibtu becomes sharibna. So I have sharibna, meaning we drank. Then I have la'ibtu. La'ibtu becomes la'ibna. La'ibna meaning we played. Okay, then I have jalastu. Jalastu becomes jalasna. Okay, jalasna means we sat. Okay, then I have akaltu. Akaltu becomes akalna. So I have akalna. Akalna meaning we ate. Then I have qara'tu. Qara'tu becomes qara'na. Okay, so I have qara'na al-Quran. We recited the Quran. Okay, then I have qultu. Qultu becomes qulna. We said. And of course, the other verbs are also going to take the same format. You can fill them out. So we have we said. Right. So this is how the verbs are going to take their format. So when it comes to ana, what am I going to do to it? In the past tense, I will add an open ta with a nominative. And what about nahnu? I'm going to add a noon with an alif on top, and on top of that it's going to carry an accusative sign, an accusative vowel, right? So just to go through one last time with these verbs. So we have sharibtu, we have ana sharibtu, ana la'ibtu, ana jalastu, ana akaltu, ana qara'tu, ana qultu. Okay, and of course, you know, you notice most of the speakers, they don't really keep on saying ana sharibtu, ana la'ibtu, ana jalastu. If you just say sharibtu, people will understand that you are trying to say I drank. Why? Because since Arabic is very specific, it's very easy to understand. So for example, in English, if I just say drank, it's not going to make any sense, right? I have to say I drank, right? But in Arabic conversation, okay, it's not must for you to say ana sharibtu. You can just say sharibtu. People will understand. It means I drank. You can say la'ibtu, jalastu, akaltu. People will understand that you're actually referring to yourself. You drank and you played and you ate, right? Same with nahnu. Okay, if you want to converse, you don't have to say nahnu sharibna, nahnu la'ibna, nahnu jalasna, nahnu akalna. You can simply say sharibna shai, we drank tea. Shai means tea. Okay, sharibna shai. Okay, or sharibna ma, we drank water. Okay, la'ibna, jalasna, akalna. Okay, you don't have to put the nahnu everywhere. This is just simply to explain you that this here is just referring to the singular, sorry, the plural first person, just referring to the noun. So we're going to have a little short exercise based on the pronouns that we did in the previous session and the pronouns today, okay? So just a short exercise so that you can remember. And of course, you should be remembering the things we did in the other previous sessions, such as interrogation, okay, because I can also give you questions on interrogation, right? So for example, I choose the verb, I have the verb qara'a, okay? So you're going to put an appropriate pronoun, right? So what are the appropriate pronouns I can put here? I think there's only one, which is huwa. So I'll say huwa qara'a, means he read. What if I want to say la'ibna? Right. The appropriate pronoun I'm going to put for that, nahnu la'ibna. So I have nahnu. Right. Any other? Let's say I want to say jalasa, or let's say I have this jalasat, right? So the appropriate pronoun that I'm going to put here before jalasat, I can say hiya jalasat, right? Hiya jalasat means she sat. Any other pronoun? Let's say I have the pronoun akala. Right, so the appropriate pronoun is going to be huwa akala, means he ate. Okay, so this was just a simple way of just a little exercise to know which appropriate pronoun goes according to which verb, right? So huwa qara'a. Huwa always takes, you know, the 3-letter form. Huwa qara'a, huwa akala, huwa la'iba. Okay? Nahnu la'ibna. Okay? Nahnu qara'na, nahnu jalasna, nahnu akalna. Okay? With the noon, alif, and accusative, right? Then we have hiya. Okay? Hiya jalasat. Okay? We can have hiya akalat, hiya la'ibat, hiya qara'at, right? And so this is how the pronouns are going to take their form. Now, one thing I had also told you about verb, subject, and object. Of course, that is a bit advanced, but I just want to clarify one thing. Now, I had said that when it comes to the object, okay, we are going to learn when does the object carry an accusative, when will it carry a genitive, and when will it carry a nominative case. So for now, don't put any sign, okay, because of course objects, like I said in the previous session, objects never carry a jazm. It never carries a jassiv or a sukun, right? So that's the thing I want to clarify. And of course, if you want to try and make sentences, we still haven't done about prepositions, but if you want to try and make sentences, you're going to use the same format: verb, subject, object, right? Right, so this sums up our class for today. Inshallah, we'll be continuing with other pronouns in the past tense format in our further classes. So for now, Khuda Hafiz, sanaltaqi ghadan inshallah. Thank you for listening.